Good morning, guys. Today we will do a different kind of assignment. As you can see in my videos, the curing the mask. As you can see in my earlier video from my channel, the curing the mask. The mask that has been scratched out from our motherboard. As you can see in my video, it was a PS4 Pro motherboard, and its mask was scratched out due to the use of inappropriate tools. So today's video will be very interesting for you and very useful for you, because I'm also doing this assignment for the first time, and you will see the efforts that I have made in this video, and how could be successful in completing this task. So let's start. You will enjoy it. Sure, you will enjoy it. Here, as you can see that there is a lot of damage of mask around the pads. As you can see here and here, these all dots are peeled off. The mask is peeled off. I found a good technique for this recovering of this mask, and I think it will be very helpful for all of my fellows that are doing this job, but not doing that kind of bad job, as somebody has applied low quality tools on this board, and all the mask is peeled off from the board, as you can see. So the technique is that you can make some positive. You can see that I have a positive of the same size of this board, and you can make it in quantity too. It is not a difficult task. I will show you that I have made many of the positives for this purpose. You can see here. As you can see that I have a whole sheet that is having a lot of positives in one place, and it would be helpful. And now I am going to apply this technique. Either I will succeed it or not. Let's see. So where is my cutted mask? I need to fix it here. Let's see. you can see it properly. So let's try to fix it. First, I will check that is the positive is exact size. It should be of exact size. If there would be some difference, it will be not valuable thing for us. I will try to fix it again. Ensure it is proper. Now mark it like this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ink is spreading. Now I must leave it for drying to get it dried. After drying this paint marker, I will remove it and will paint it with the ink, and after that we will fix it again for the ultraviolet light to dry the ink. The ink is for the masking. Ink is for the masking, and I have show it to you before that it is UV. It is UV curing solder mask ink. I will apply it on this board. So first I need to dry the paint, this black paint marker. Oh my god. It is a bad thing. Okay, no problem. We can clean it later. Now I hope that the marker ink is dry, and try to put it away. No, I am not somehow successful in marking the positive, but this mark can help us in aligning this positive. So let's try it furthermore. It is bad. Even I cannot apply any chemical on this positive, because if I will apply any chemical, the dots will be erased, and it will not be useful anymore for me. Okay. Try to clean this ink. From the pads, because pads should be neat and clean. Somehow here, no, it's okay. I think that if I try to clean it from here, yes, it's good. I can clean it. Clean it from here too. It's mean I can use it for many times. The dots are not disturbed. Okay. No, I need to paint the board with this ink. For this, I should use if I roll this tissue and make a kind of brush, as you can see, I think it will help. No, put some ink here and need to spread it for the whole processor's place. As you can see that the masking is complete, and now we can fix this mask. It should be like this. This way. My God, it is very difficult. Guys, it is an experiment. I hope it will not work, but to make it perfect, I need a file, a polythene paper. I need to place a polythene paper underneath this positive. If I will not succeed, then I will try with this technique. Now here I need to dry it with this laser lamp. Laser lamp is this one. Here I have a UV lamp, and when you can see it here. Yes, you can see that laser lamp, and now I will try to dry it with this lamp. I need to keep this lamp on this positive for a long time. After finishing this process, I will show you the results. Until then, take a break. Now I will try to peel it off. I think it is not as successful as it should be. नहीं यार, तजुर्बा कामयाब नहीं हुआ।
क्या हुआ? खुश्क नहीं हुआ?
खुश्क तो हो गया, पर वो कहीं मेरा हल ना, वो सारा ही खुश्क हो गया।
बबल वाली जगह भी
Now the thing is that I have to repaint it. Let's try another try. Try again. This time I will use a brush, a tiny brush. That's it. This one. Yes, it's good. Wow. It's great. This time I already aligned the positive so that it is easier to overlap. You can see that I have fixed it with a tape, and now I only need to make it paste like this. Yo, yo, good. And tape it here, and then tape it here. I hope that this time I will be successful. Yes. Now the ultraviolet lamp. This one is our ultraviolet lamp. And it will grow up. Now we will dry it, make it dry again. It will take time, so leave it as it is for a while. After that we will check for the results and I will show you the results. Hope this time it will be fine. Somehow paste I should here to see that when this paint get dried, now I'm going to remove the positive. Hopefully now it will be good. Yes. Now it have a good layer of paint, mask paint. As you can see that the paint we need to remove is removing. Yes. It is a good experience. It's mean that many of the boards of this kind can be repaired. As you can see that still paint is able to scrub. Should I apply some separate or thinner? Let's try it. Yes, and as you can see that major of its part is very neat and clean. We are successful in doing this job. It is very encouraging for me that I am successful. It was my first experience to do things like that, and you can see that I will scrub more and more and it will be refined. Yes, you can see the paint is very nicely applied on all sides, and I will scrub it more, and I will show you the end result of this assignment. So let me wash it again and again, then I can show you that what is the final result. Okay, finally guys, the mission is accomplished, and we are successful in doing our job, and you can see that it is now very much refined, and the masking is successfully completed. In the next video I will reball this processor and fix it on this place, and we will see the display of this console. So guys, please subscribe. If you enjoy this video, you will see more useful videos like this. Okay, goodbye.